everyone. Today we're going to make Bhel Puri. So first we have one finely chopped tomato. And then we have one handful chopped dhania. Then we have one boiled diced potato. And then we have one finely chopped onions. And then we have half finely chopped cucumber. And then we have green chili. If you want to make it spicy, you can add it, but I don't want to. Then we have green chutney. And then we have imli chutney. And then we have lemon juice. And then we have mixed namkeen. And then we have roasted peanuts. Then we have puffed rice, which is the main part. And then we have chaat masala and salt mixed together. And now we're going to add all the wet ingredients, like some dhania, half, and then potatoes, and then we have onions, and then cucumber, and I guess I'll add a little bit of that. And now we're going to add tomatoes, chutney, imli chutney, and then we have hari chutney. I'm just going to put a bit. Oops. And then we have lemon juice. Now we're going to mix it. We have to mix it properly. Now we're going to add the dry ingredients. Chaat masala and salt. And then we're going to add some namkeen. And then the roasted peanuts. And then the main part, puffed rice. Now we're going to mix it with the wet ingredients. Now we're going to add the leftover dhania and sprinkle it on top to make it yummy. And our yummy Bhel Puri is done. Now we're going to try. Now we're going to try the Bhel Puri. super yummy. Thank you for watching.